This spicy mutton liver fry will definitely steal your heart. In this video, I'll be showing how to cook tender and juicy mutton liver fry. So let's get started. The first step is to marinate the liver. Here I've taken about 250 grams of mutton liver cut into medium sized pieces. I have thoroughly washed and cleaned the liver. Now let's take these liver pieces into a bowl and let's start marinating. Add about 1 tablespoon of pink salt. You can use the regular salt as well. Then 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. The red chili powder I've taken here is little spicier. Then 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix all these well. After mixing the spices, add about half cup of fresh curd. Make sure the curd is not sour and the curd must be a little watery in consistency, because while we pressure cook the liver pieces, we are not going to add any extra amount of water. The moisture from the curd itself will help to cook the liver and release the moisture so that it does not stick to the bottom of the pressure cooker. Now let the liver pieces marinate for about 30 minutes. I have placed the dish in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. The next step is to make a paste of onion and green chilies. Here I have taken 1 big onion chopped. Add it into a blender jar. Then add about 1 big green chili. Then blend these two to a fine paste. And then keep it aside. So here it's been 30 minutes that we have marinated our liver pieces. Now take a heavy bottom pressure cooker. Add the liver pieces and pressure cook for about 5 whistles. It's been 5 whistles. The liver pieces are cooked well and see the amount of moisture it has released. Now let's proceed to the next step. In a pan, take about 5 tablespoons of oil. Now add the blended onion and green chili paste. Fry this paste till the raw smell of onion goes away. Keep stirring in between. Then add few curry leaves and saute for a while. Now add the cooked liver pieces along with the gravy part. Mix everything well. Now let it cook on medium heat for about 10 minutes. Then add 1 slit green chili. Give a quick stir. Now cook till the moisture evaporates. It takes about another 2 to 3 minutes. The moisture has started evaporating and we can see that the oil started to release. Now we'll add few dry masala powders. Add about 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of mutton masala, and mix everything well and let it cook on low heat for about 2 minutes till everything comes together, leaving the bottom of the pan. Then add kasuri methi, chopped fresh coriander leaves. Give a quick stir and the spicy mutton liver fry is ready to be served with some hot rice. If you like this video, do check the other videos on my channel as well. And don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting recipes and cooking videos. Enjoy and subscribe for more.